They wanted the house to evolve along with their family. And that is why the name Swayambhu exists for this particular house, because we have retained the soul of the house as it is. So the name of the house is Swayambhu. So the meaning of Swayambhu in Sanskrit is something that created itself. Hi, I'm Naveen from D Square Architects.
Hi, I'm Neelu, Principal Designer of Coziness Interiors.
You can download a PDF of all the drawings, layouts, pictures, etc. from buildofy.com.
The link is in the description box below. Though we have created a luxurious home, it still has a down-to-earth and calming presence. That's the charm of this house, that along with these textural elements that we have used throughout the project.
There was an existing structure in this site to start with for the growing needs of the client's family. They wanted the house to evolve along with their family. Swayambhu is located in a gated community called Palm Meadows, which is located in Whitefield in Bangalore. Coming to the site itself, it's approximately 6,000 square feet.
It started as a renovation project. Both Naveen and I combined forces, I would say, to tackle the renovation and the interiors part of it. The entrance has a beautiful teakwood door with wooden fluting detail. The foyer has these gorgeous Bharat flooring cement tiles which tie with the theme of the rustic and earthy feel of the house.
We created the new living room here, which is much larger, as they wanted a larger living room which could accommodate a larger number of guests. And we have the view into the garden from the living as well, so we have the view this way.
So right now we are in the living room of this house, and one of the key elements here is of course the banana fiber that we've used in the ceiling.
Towards the deck, again we have a step out door to enter the garden here. So this portion what we have in the center is now the new dining room, along with a small lounge over here, has a direct view to the garden here. So to step out from dining, we have a large sliding door over here. From this living, as I had mentioned, we have a step out door, though not sliding, into this garden here.
And the movement from the kitchen towards the dining and then into the garden space also is unhindered that way.
We created the puja space here. We have a skylight well here, along with a water body. This is visible from all the common areas, whether it's the living, dining or the first floor family. It's also located next to the master bedroom, which is the southwest corner. So once we marked the garden here and the water body here, we filled up the rest of the space to get our new structure.
The new bedroom created on the ground floor is one of the son's bedroom.
And as per the client's requirements, there's a direct view from the master bedroom on both the floors into the puja. And we have the staircase coming here, the new staircase. So we have the view into the garden from the staircase as one goes from ground floor to first floor as well. The staircase is designed as a series of floating steps with alternate treads of the ground floor joining with a vertical element to the first floor slab visually.
Going up the stairs, we land into the family room, which has a large library space.
Brief was to have a nice library area. We have a lot of natural light coming.
And this is where the old structure is ending here, and the new structure, or rather the floor as part of the new structure, is extended. And what we have done is we have given a gable roof here. The entire roof is a new structure designed in accordance with the rest of the elevation as a sloping roof. So we have a small skylight in an A shape on that side and another small skylight. The master bedroom is designed next to the puja space. I have the master bedroom coming in the southwest corner.
And we are in the master bedroom right now, and as Naveen mentioned, this is the newer part of the house. Again, going with the theme that we had, inspired by the Balinese theme. We have done a beautifully large, hand-carved teakwood headboard here. And then we just used a couple of these rafters to, bring the eye down to the headboard itself. And also those kind of lead the eye towards the skylight too, which obviously looks very pretty over there.
And the space above the kitchen is your entertainment room. So this house being located in Palm Meadows, they had a lot of rules that we had to follow for the whole design. One of the examples being the sloping roof. The entire houses over here, or rather all the houses here, have to have sloping roofs. So the sloping roof above the living room is designed in such a way, from inside the room the ceiling is symmetrical, but the roof is extended to the front, so that for the whole structure the roof is asymmetrical, and that extra space that we have got by extending the roof is converted to a deck, so that a person stepping out can enjoy the garden in the front. Initially when we started with, there was a confusion or rather question in terms of whether should we renovate it, should we completely demolish it and build it, or should we just extend it. Finally what we concluded was a combination of all these three. So at the end right now we have around 25 to 30% of the old house that is retained, and we have of approximately the new house we have around 70% as a newly constructed. Me as an architect as well as Neelu as an interior designer and the client as well, we were a team together right from the beginning, whether it's a planning stage or the construction stage or material selections, colors, spaces, we all did it together.